welcome once again to my channel. In this video I share with you how I prepare coconut rice, vegetable coconut rice from the scratch. I prepare this from a fresh milk, so keep watching as I share my ingredients with you. So let's dive into it. So first I have my fresh matured coconut. And the next thing I'm going to do after taking it off from the shell is to grate it into smaller pieces, add ginger and 1 clove of garlic and blend smooth. After blending, I will transfer it into a strainer so as to get my fresh coconut milk. Everyone, you see how fresh the milk looks. Next, I'll be using Gizzard. So to season, I will add 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and freshly chopped onions, and allow to cook on a medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. And after that it is cooked. Next, I will chop into smaller size and then allow to fry on a medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. While that is aside, here is our vegetables. I have green peas, I have freshly chopped carrots, I have my green beans everywhere. That is the green beans. Then I have my freshly chopped garlic, freshly chopped green pepper, that is red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and then I have my red chili pepper, and then I have thyme. All the quantities of all these ingredients will be at the description bars down below. Keep watching, don't go away, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to watch the ads to support this channel. Keep watching, because in this video I'm going to share with you how to extract your coconut milk so as to have a nice flavor, coconut flavor for your coconut rice. Alright, so I'll be using chicken stock. You could use beef stock. So let's start cooking it. So in a clean pot I transferred my chicken stock, and next I will add my freshly made coconut milk. Next I add half teaspoon of curry, my fresh garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt to taste, and stir to combine. I will cover this for 10 minutes on a medium heat. After 10 minutes, I will take my turning stick and stir. The reason is so as to so the milk does not stick under the pot. Next, I will add my freshly thoroughly washed rice, everyone, and then cover for 20 minutes on a medium flame. After that, I will go ahead and check the rice. Wow, the rice is not properly cooked, so I will still add more of my chicken stock and my milk, the coconut milk, everyone. Keep watching and don't go away. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning back. So after adding enough water, I covered it to cook for another 10 minutes, and after that I will check. Now the rice is properly cooked, so let's fry the vegetable. For the vegetable, I add my coconut oil. When it gets hot, I'll add my freshly chopped onions and stir for a second. After that, next I add my chili pepper, and I'll stir fry this for 1 minute, so to reduce the spiciness of red chili pepper. And after that, I will go ahead and add my green beans, my carrots. The reason is to fry it so it's softened. We all know that carrots and green pea is a bit crunchier than other veggies. So after adding all this together, I will stir it for 1 to 5 minutes and then cover it on a low heat for 60 seconds. Keep watching and don't go away. If you've watched my video up to this point, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you've not done so. So after allowing it to simmer for 1 minute, next I begin to add my green onions, green pepper, and then a half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of curry, half teaspoon of seasoning, and mix to combine. And then I add my gizzard after frying it, and also the sweet corn or yellow corn, and then mix to combine on a low heat and cover for 1 minute. After 1 minute, our veggie is ready. Next, I will begin to add the cooked rice bit by bit and mix. Our coconut jollof rice is ready. So simple to cook with your fresh coconut milk made by yourself. Please tell me what you like about this channel at the comment what you like about this video at the comment section down below. Alright, don't forget to like and comment and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected, and don't forget to check the description box. And bye for now.